If your 2021 Kia K5 refuses to connect to Apple CarPlay, follow this playbook to get your navigation back on screen. Statistics show that 80% of connection issues are simple cable failures or minor software glitches. Let us start the diagnostic process. Always try an official Apple cable first, check the port for debris, and perform a head unit reset using the pinhole button. Verify your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is not restricted, and try forgetting the vehicle in your Bluetooth menu. Outdated software on either the vehicle or your phone is a frequent culprit for persistent connection drops. Most fixes are easy to do at home, but if you have tried everything and it still fails, you may have a wiring harness fault. As you can see, the vast majority of issues are solved simply by swapping out your charging cable. If you're still stuck, try plugging in a different phone to isolate whether the problem is with your device or the car. Keep a certified cable and a paperclip for the reset button in your glove box for quick roadside troubleshooting. Remember, your eyes belong on the road, not on the screen, even when your navigation is acting up. If this guide helped you fix your Kia K5, hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting playbooks.